Take a quick look around you. In this fast-paced lifestyle, be it shopping or booking a cab, it is all available at just a click of the button. Right from buying a shoelace to booking a luxurious house, buying movie tickets or even vegetables, it is all possible by just logging onto your mobile phones or computers. The spread of mobile phones, communication systems and internet infrastructure has had a huge impact on our lives. Then why not civic amenities? With prolonged efforts in the direction of making municipal services more accessible, Surat Municipal Corporation is leading by example. When on one hand, SMC is helping the civic authorities improve their efficiency, it is also saving a lot of time of the citizens. They can avail all the services of drainage, cleanliness, street lights, paying taxes, among others, from the comfort of their homes. ICT does not merely mean setting up of technology options, but offering accessibility to the city's people.
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने.
The application of information, communication and technology, or ICT, in the field of urban governance, especially in the delivery of water and sanitation services, is growing rapidly. ICT has been instrumental in making municipal services more efficient and has allowed greater public access to information and hence made the cities more accountable. It has also helped cities to better collect and analyze field data in order to make meaningful decisions. Use of information and communication technologies is also supported under the Smart Cities mission of Ministry of Urban Development. Surat, the second largest city of Gujarat, is the fourth fastest growing cities globally. The city has grown at a decadal rate of 62% in the last decade, as compared to the national growth rate of 23%. The post-plague transformation of Surat is the result of the city administration's successful effort to convert a crisis into an opportunity. The city has put in a lot of efforts to ensure that its citizens have easy access to SMC's services with just a click. Surat, known as City of Flyovers, Diamond City, has added another feather to its cap by now being a smartly governed city.
Surat is one of the clean cities of India. The credit for the success goes to the people of Surat as well as to the micro-planning which is done by the Surat Municipal Corporation.
Specifically in sanitation, SMC has introduced information and communication technology-enabled services in setting up a biometric attendance system. Using an efficient solid waste management or SWM vehicular tracking system. Developing a mobile application for the ease of receiving citizen feedback. Use of handheld tablet PCs for monitoring and reporting during their night rounds, as well as for disease surveillance by the SMC officials. This is all done through the specially designed Smart City Center, also known as SMAC Center, where all the information gets transmitted. Biometric attendance system is becoming increasingly common in public security systems. It uses biological information about a person, such as fingerprints, retina and iris patterns for identification.
Under ICT, we have introduced biometric attendance system in the integrated ward offices. Currently, we are recording their attendance through fingerprints. This is a smoothly functioning system. This system is in place and has helped solve complaints of attendance. From October 1, Surat is taking this to the next level, and it is linking this biometric system to Aadhaar-based biometric attendance system. Surat Municipal Corporation is one of the few municipalities in the country that has the requisite AUA KUA permissions, which gives us the authentication needed. Through this, we can now get access to the Aadhaar based data. Now, the employee will only have to enter the code number and his fingerprint, which will directly register their attendance. Later on, we also plan to move this to an iris based attendance. We will make the attendance system completely Aadhaar based biometric system. We will also merge this with the salaries and payroll of the staff. So through this system, right from their attendance, their salaries, etc., all will be captured.
All the vehicles engaged for the door-to-door collection system have been fitted with a GPS or global positioning system. Based on micro-planning exercise conducted by the corporation, a detailed time-place movement has been designed for each vehicle. The movement of these vehicles is tracked at zonal centers.
Solid waste management process, it goes through various stages, and at every stage there is elaborate planning and very much to the detail micro planning, which is very accurately followed. Each day which area is to be covered, which vehicle will go to which particular location, that is already pre-decided.
SMC has drawn a list of points of interest, which includes certain societies, specific points which have been identified. If our solid waste collection vehicle fails to attend to the POIs listed, then the system automatically sends an alert to a specified list of officials. SMC has conducted a detailed micro-planning exercise to design routes and collection schedules. This exercise was conducted by sanitary inspectors at the ward level. The exercise involved identifying waste generators and bulk waste generators, estimating the quantity of waste generated on each street, and creating an inventory of roads. This led to developing such route designs that show the exact location and time of collection. For instance, this form shows that vehicle number 3319 will reach Sanjay Nagar at 7:50 am. The form also shows time for unloading. This process is continuous and flexible and is modified based on ground changes. With the help of time-place movement, the corporation keeps a check over the movements of the vehicle. If the vehicle misses a point, SMC imposes penalties on the contractor.
Door-to-door collection
Wherever door-to-door collection has been outsourced, it is the responsibility of the contractor to install a vehicle tracking system or VTS in their vehicles. Through this, we can keep a track of where the vehicles are going. If we get a complaint, we can do a cross-verification, and on the basis of this, the penalty is automatically recorded and deducted. We have also installed VTS in our own container lifting vehicles.
The SMC vehicle comes regularly to pick up the garbage. They are very punctual in doing so. This system ensures that our city maintains a clean and a safe environment.
SMC has an efficient online complaint system, further to reach out to citizens who do not have a computer access. SMC launched a mobile application. Through this mobile application, a citizen is able to request 8 different services. He can file a complaint through this application. The citizen will find a drop-down menu of complaints under Complaint Registration section. This includes garbage and cleanliness, water supply, drainage, public toilet, door-to-door garbage collection, among others. Under each of these categories, there are further options which help the SMC staff get the exact details of the type of complaint. The user-friendly mobile app allows a citizen to pay for the outstanding water meter and property taxes. He can view active tenders and also search for job opportunities with the SMC. Apart from this, the app gives the facilities of requesting for a birth certificate, death certificate, and download forms related to SMC. This also gives the user information such as nearest zone or city civic center. The easy-to-use mobile application is available on Android and iOS platforms. The user-friendly application was launched in April 2015. With more than 1 lakh downloads, the application has become an integral part of the citizens of Surat.
The citizens of Surat, they have done such a good job, and they have never disappointed the corporation in maintaining the city clean.
The 5 lakh square meter area of the city is swept daily by the corporation's team. There were many roads in the city which were difficult to sweep during the day due to heavy traffic. Since 1995, night brushing and scrapping is being done in Surat.
As a city administration, good micro-planning of the city is necessary. Before this kind of a mission or this kind of a drive is undertaken, there should be good planning, micro-planning should be done, and all the stakeholders should be involved into that. But should be meticulously followed. For that, I think the city manager, right from the top level, they should be on the streets.
The monitoring of night brushing and scraping is done manually, but since last 1 year, we have introduced a tablet-based monitoring system. Our 45 senior officers are visiting this night brushing and scraping route, and they are provided with tablets, and if they found any irregularity, attendance of presence workers and everything, they are noting at that time of visit also, and it is also GPS based. Whatever they visit, it is reflected in this program.
2 deputy officers and a Class 1 officer have been given 2 zones each to cover during the night rounds. The team covers a total of 6 to 7 zones every night. During this exercise, they check night brushing, street lights, water supply stations, drainage pumping stations are all covered during these night rounds. The system has an auto-escalation component, and if there is non-compliance in 24 hours, the system sends out an alert after 48 hours. An SMS is also sent to the concerned officer who is in charge of its redressal. This also ensures that the officials are linked to the city's main server. Their location is also known to the main control room, and communication is easier. Similarly, for tracking and monitoring incidents of vector-borne diseases, SMC has provided tabs to primary health workers. There are 500 to 600 primary health workers. As a pilot project in the North Zone, 95 tablets have been given to the team. With the help of Geographic Information System, or GIS, every house has been identified. The primary health worker records field information and disease profile of residents on the tabs.
I am Ajit Singh Thakur and I am a primary health worker. We have been given a tablet since the last 1 year. With the help of this, our burden has lessened. Now the procedure has turned paperless and speedy. The information is also now available on real-time basis to all senior officials.
This helps the city get real-time information of disease prevalence in the city and be alerted of emerging disease hotspots. Such ICT initiatives have not only eased the work of its officials, but have brought the city closer and approachable to its citizens.
As a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, it's our appeal to all the people of Surat to keep the city clean. But not only that, let's make our country clean and let's make the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan a successful mission.
कोना कोना निर्मल होगा, विश्व कहेगा जय भारत। जाग उठेंगे भाज हमारे, स्वच्छ बनेगा ये भारत। जाग